What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be talking to you about this month of Skillshare challenge that I am doing. So before we get started, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online course community where you pay one monthly fee. It's like $15, and you get every single course on the entire platform. And I really like Skillshare because I've found something that I really vibe with at its core, because you can look up pretty much anything. And for example, if you want to learn cooking, I took a course on macarons recently. The great thing about Skillshare is that the courses are really short and effective. Look at these: 30 minutes, 36 minutes, 48 minutes. And I watch the videos on double speed. So they're actually half the amount of time to complete, which is awesome. And I really vibe with this. So just wanted to get that out there. If you want to sign up for Skillshare, you can look in the description of this video for a link that will get you 2 months of Skillshare Premium for free. And if you cancel within that, you don't have to pay for anything, and you get all the courses for 2 months. It's pretty great. I really like that, because you guys don't have to pay anything technically. So that's that. Now let me explain what this month of Skillshare is that I'm doing. So essentially, I'm trying to recreate my entire life and make it so that I have everything that I need in my home environment, and that's all done. But now what I need to be doing is exposing myself regularly to lots and lots of information. And I want to make Skillshare courses regularly. I want to be a professional Skillshare teacher. That's what I want out of my life at this current time. But in order to make a lot of really good Skillshare courses, I need to consume a lot of Skillshare content. I need to take a lot of courses by other Skillshare instructors. I need to also watch a lot of YouTube videos that people have done about Skillshare. So that's where this month of Skillshare comes in here. And if you want to join me for this challenge, I will show you later on in this video how to create a list like this really easily. Okay, so first let's look at what's going on here. So I have over 30 links to YouTube videos and Skillshare courses, and today is day 3. So what happens is I copy this link, open new tab, paste, and then I watch this YouTube video, which I had checked out before. And this is actually a really short YouTube video. It's super short. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm trying to watch every video on YouTube that has the word Skillshare in it. So this could be an ad for a Skillshare course. It could be YouTube's opinion about Skillshare. It could be a video from Skillshare's YouTube channel. There's essentially anything. As long as it's about Skillshare, I'll watch it, okay? And so the YouTube video, that's super easy. I mean, watching a 5-10 minute video every day, no problem, right? So then the course is a bit more in detail, right? So what I'm doing is taking one course per day, right? So this, for example, is a course all about Teespring, right? And it's actually by I've taken a course by this instructor. He actually, if you go to Skillshare and search for Teespring, he has 4 of the courses available. Yeah, see this guy, this guy, this guy. Kind of interesting. Yeah, there he is again. So I believe that by getting in the habit of doing one of these videos and taking a Skillshare course every single day, I'm going to learn a lot. And this is going to enable me to create content on my YouTube channel about what I'm learning, right? One of the things, for example, is in this video, which is about using designs that you buy online and then making digital products out of them, which I'm going to do a video about for you guys because it's super cool. So what this guy talks about is using this thing called designbundles.net, and essentially what you can do is just buy, if I go here and I search for quotes, I can just buy the rights to, for $5, I can get all of these designs, and I can use them for commercial purposes. See, with commercial use allowed for $5. So then I can make a t-shirt out of that, 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 t-shirt out of that. And these are just like basic ones, right? They got some illustration, but what you can do is find like fancy colored ones, right? Like, look at this. So here you can get all these. They already have colors on them, and you can just plop them on a t-shirt and try and sell it, right? Like, it's pretty cool. So that's something I'm learning about, but I don't want to get too much into that because I'll make a video for you guys later. So for the rest of this video, I want to show you how you can go about making one of these Google Sheet documents. Sorry, I got distracted. There's actually one more thing that I'm doing. So I have like some VAs that I work with who are like, I'd say more than VAs. They're also friends and like they're partners, right? And so one of them, his name's Axel, and what I'm doing is I then make a video specifically for Axel where I summarize what I've learned from the YouTube video I watched that day, and also what I learned from the Skillshare course that I took that day. So on this day I watched this YouTube video which was comparing Skillshare and Lynda, and then I took a course about running a Instagram, and I didn't realize that Instagrams have like a color profile. So the argument for this creator, Dale McManus, who runs like Instagram stuff, was that your Instagram should have a pattern of colors, right? So you can see here there's lots of blues and oranges, and I didn't even know that was a thing. I thought Instagram just took photos of everything. I didn't realize that, like, wow, they plan out how their feed looks so that they can think about like what the photos look like next to each other and how they relate to each other, and like it was cool. I learned a lot. But essentially what this does is this is a way of holding myself accountable, because every day I have to make a quick video that I send to Axel. And that is me like also learning, okay, I learned these things, but how do I communicate them to another person who hasn't watched the YouTube video? And the idea is that by doing this for 30 days, I'll put myself in a position where I'm regularly educating myself, and I can make better content for my YouTube channel and create regular Skillshare courses. I want to get in the habit of making courses every month, like regularly, right? Okay, so you guys now understand this document, so let me explain real quick how you could make something like this if you wanted to. So first, you want to use Google Sheets, which is a free piece of software. It's not like Excel, you don't have to pay for it. You can go to Google Sheets right now and make this blank document here, right? Then what you want to do is get this extension called Session Buddy, this Chrome extension here. What this allows you to do is quickly get a list of all the URLs you're visiting, right? So then you're gonna go to Skillshare or YouTube if you don't have Skillshare membership. If you want Skillshare membership, look in the link in my description. You can sign up for 60 days for free. I think you have to provide credit card information, but they won't charge you until that 60-day period is over. And even once it's over, it's only $15 a month. Like, you can get a course on Udemy for $10-20, or you could get every single course on Skillshare. Like, I have no qualms about paying $15 a month for that much information, as long as you're actually using the platform, right? On that rate, you could take one Skillshare course a month and make it worth it, right? I'm trying to do 30. So you're going to look for a subject, right? Like, let's say we want to learn about Teespring. Then what we do is we're just going to open all of these related courses in a new tab. So I'm going to make a list of 9 courses to take, right? Just to prove a point in this, okay? We have our courses that we're interested in. Now, I have this current window. I'm going to right-click this and click Save, and it's going to be the Skillshare course list, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to click here and click on Export, and now we copy all of this list, and now we're going to go back to our new blank Google Sheets document, and we're just going to paste. And now look at this. So this is just a search bar, but here we have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9. It's awesome. And it's super easy to do. And I encourage you to make lists like this before, because then it's going to be more likely that you actually follow through. Like in my case, all I got to do is I wake up, I click on this month of Skillshare, and then I watch this video. I don't have to find the video. I don't have to find the course. I don't have to think about anything. I don't even have to wake up. I just have to open my eyes and sit in the chair, and then boom, I'm moving my life forward with a video or a course. Already super fast, super easy. Alright guys, so that's this month of Skillshare. I encourage you to join me for this month of Skillshare challenge. After just showing you how to create your document, you're going to use Google Sheets, use Session Buddy. If you really want to, like you really want to be fancy, this is what I've been doing. So I get everything like this, right? Copy all the links, but I got the links in a certain order. And I don't like that. Like, I don't want to take the courses in the same order that I found them. I want to make it a bit more interesting. So what I do is I go into Sublime Text 3, paste my list, and then go to Edit, Permute Lines, and click Shuffle. This randomizes everything, right? So now I just change the whole order of all of these. So I no longer know what order they're in, but I know that today we're going to be working with Going Global, Identify Trends, and Get Your Work Noticed with Storytelling. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to join me. I'll see you next time. Ciao!